Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're creating together a Thanksgiving dinner menu using one of our stock templates. Let's start by browsing through the pre-made designs in the stock templates. Let's see what we've got here. Oh, this one looks perfect. We'll use this design as our base. First thing I'll do is modify the heading. Let's replace the current title to say Thanksgiving. Now I'll add another text box and type dinner. For fonts, I'm swapping Thanksgiving to Citadel and dinner to Antic Didone. These two look so elegant together. Now I'll match the rest of the titles to Antic Didone for consistency. There we go. It's already starting to look more cohesive. We could take it a step further and customize the text to make it feel more in tune with the season. That's what helps buyers connect with your design. Let's start with the appetizer section. I'll update that, then move on to the other courses. Make sure everything stays nicely aligned and balanced. That's key for a professional finish. Now, before moving to illustrations, I'll remove this text at the bottom. Okay, now we're ready to go to Elements, Illustrations, and then type Thanksgiving in the search bar and scroll through some cute graphics. I love these little pumpkins. Let's add them in. Perfect. They add a cozy seasonal touch. Next, let's fine-tune the color palette. I'll grab the eyedropper tool and pick a warm tone that matches the pumpkins. Now, I'll right-click the background, select Add Background Color, and change it to a light cream. Beautiful. It ties everything together. Let's do a quick final check. Make sure all text is readable, spacing looks right, and everything feels balanced. Once it's done, you can add this menu to your Thanksgiving collection for your buyers to enjoy. And that's it. Your Thanksgiving dinner menu is ready to list. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below what you'd like to see next. See you in the next one.